Yo, yo, yo. What up? Keegan Murphy, Josh, Maximus, Alexander, Benny, Great Dane, Trending World, O, Jay Stores, Simon. I didn't get one. Someone else is having the same issue. So instead of doing 90% off, they'd say no more evals. It's fucking crazy. Thought everybody swore they were doing 90% off today. They're not doing anything yet. Coach HID in the place to be. Benny. Yeah, dude, I was watching the fucking highlights. He was literally just chucking up threes. Shadow Life, what up? Brandon, let's go, Brandon. V33. Rushi. TJP, Smoke, what up, Warrior? D-Walk. I think there's another hour left. Don't we go until 1 p.m.? Slick Rick, the Ruler, Illuminati. What up? Bowser. What in the butt, Vince? What? How is that in and out, bro? Probably fucking fire as always. Ian Connor, what up? I think it's 1 p.m., right, guys? I hope it's 1 p.m. Damn, what a bounce off the VWAP. Of course, I missed it. 1 p.m. QO Bill, what up? Big Dave. Slick Rick, the Ruler. Trending World, what up? Det 5, Maximus. Yeah, 10 a.m. Yep. Is In-N-Out my favorite burger? No. But it's probably the only fast food I would eat. It is the only fast food I eat. I mean, you had this drop here. I mean, we had this high a day. 307 down to almost 100-point drop right there. And then we just bounced off the VWAP 30-something points. I mean, it's moving. Gold fucking moved around a ton. Where is it? Gold popped. Well, actually, no. Gold dropped, bounced, dropped. I mean, nothing huge, obviously, because there's no volume. But yeah, Benny, it is a little strange, bro. It's very strange. I was hoping they would send 90% off. That's why you just can't keep all your eggs in one prop firm's basket. You just never can. Maybe Leo got access to that shit again. No memorial pool parties for me. I have a pool in my backyard. Jean, what up? Yannick, this world. I mean, it could be a good day for scalping. I just haven't done shit since I woke up. I mean, I knew it was going to bounce off the VWAP. I just wasn't ready to fucking trade yet. I would have loved that. That would have been enough to pass my, I mean, we're just like in this fucking range. Like we pumped. This is when the market opened right here yesterday. Pumped like 150 points and then pulled back like, I don't know. What did we go up? How many points did we go up? 953, almost 300 points. We went up almost 300 points. I didn't even realize that. So we went up almost 300 points, pulled back like 100, and like slowly grinded back to that. And then I guess at some point when I was sleeping, we pushed through. you know, and this is like really Marcin, Roadblog, Michaelis Scorza, Sammy Roger. What up? Tony Gold. Orjan. That's what happened, dude. That's what happens. You start getting payouts. What up, Carlos? Tickle Golems, Bacon. You know what I'm saying? Looks. That's why you got to fucking just keep pushing forward. Now you're getting payouts. Now you get it. Now you know you can do it. So just do it again and just keep doing it. Get into the habit of getting payouts. You know, interesting spot for a pullback here, maybe, possibly. I mean, we just bounced fucking. Damn, bro. I'm so annoyed. I got none of that. We just bounced like almost 50 points. 14 to 59, 45 points. Bowser, yeah. The market's too easy. You thought I was in Cancun getting some sun. Well, because of yesterday's stream, I was just in the backyard sitting in one of the chairs. Andy, what's good? What's good? Tickle, what up? No, I mean, my fund of futures is doing something, but they're not doing this for today. They're doing it for the week. Yeah, this shit. I mean, there's no rhyme or reason to the way this shit is moving because the stock market's not even open. So it's just people throwing money, some big money getting thrown at this shit. It'll fucking move it easy. But yeah, my fund of futures is doing a deal. Let me post it in the Discord. 30% off starter plus for the week. They still have 50% off anything for new users until the end of the month, which is what? Saturday? Is Saturday the last day of the month? I think so. Let's see here. There it is. All right, I'll show you guys in a second. All right, chickadee check it. So this is the deal. 30% off starter plus. So, for example, a 50K is 89 bucks. Never an activation fee, no daily loss limit, no tier 1 news rule. I didn't know that. On funded accounts, obviously. 50% consistency on eval, no consistency on sim. This is the account. I actually have a starter plus account right now. Use code ZERODAYJAY. New users could get 50% off any plan. It's not just starter plus. You could get 50% off anything. This is good until Friday. Saturday. Sunday? When's the end of the month? Fuck, man. Hold on. Yeah, it's good until Sunday. It's good until the end of Saturday. Saturday is May 31st. So you have it to the end of the month to get 30% off starter plus. Using the best code ZERODAY. Let's go back to these fucking charts. Oh man. Let me drop my link in the chat. Let me drop my link in that shit. You know? Why not? Both of these deals end in the end of the month. When the month ends. Pass 2 more My Fund the Futures on Friday. Nice job, bro. Zayback, what up? Hell yeah. You got a My Fund the Futures account on Saturday and it still says pending? Dude, I wonder if there's some sort of TRADEDAY API issue because people had the same issue with what up, A? People had the same issue with Take Profit Trader. Just hit up support, bro. They'll take care of you. What up, Newts? Yeah. Yeah. We got Cube. We got ice cold cubes in your mouth to thank for that. And then Newts made the thumbnail. HR, happy birthday to you as well. So here's that My Fund the Futures deal. I wonder if it's like a TradeEvade API issue. Shadow Life. Yeah, I have, dude. I still have a pending eval with Take Profit Trader. I don't know what the fuck. I just don't feel like hitting up support because their support is so backed up. I just know I'm not gonna hear back from anybody. It's fucked up. I gotta get a fresh browser. But yeah, I got a pending I got an eval that's just pending. But I'm not that I'm glad it's happening, but I'm glad someone said the same thing's happening in My Fund the Futures. So now we have an idea that it's not just isolated to Take Profit Trader. It could be a TradeEvade API connection issue. Yeah, Bowser. Yep. That's why I'm not even sweating it. I know they'll do the right thing. Mark Kell, what up? Orjan, thank you. Thank you. It's hard to follow the chat when there's 100,000 bots on the chat. Not on the chat, but when there's 100,000 people on the stream. Joking. Richwala, what up? You did too? But did you log into your account? Did you go into your account? Let me see this shit. Let me check my email. I didn't get anything. And I checked my account. So I could still, that's crazy, Richwala. That's so weird. Dave Pastor got an email moving. They want to move you to live. I don't know. Are you? What up, Kevin Tobias? Damn, yeah, you were the first one. I think you posted about that yesterday. You were the first person I saw that got that email. What up, Sal? They want to send you to a live account? That's nuts. Oh, look. Hey, look at everybody getting these emails to go into live. Faisal. I got emails saying get ready to go live. Sal got one. Dave Pastor got one. Dave Pastor, are you Dave P Trades or a different Dave? There are people waiting from 2024 in May. Isn't a live account better, QO Bill? Fuck no. I didn't get any of that shit, bro. I saw that long-winded email about all this stuff from last week, but I didn't get anything about that. No, they're just done for the day. They take Memorial Day off. Maybe that fucking clown just doesn't know that I'm streaming. Everyone is hyping the crap out of Funded Next again. Wasn't Funded Next have doesn't Funded Next? Someone was saying DBT was saying something about Funded Next. I gotta look. When they were just Forex, he used to have to fight for his fucking payouts. Was that the Funded Next? Let me see. Funded Next. Funded Next are shady fucks in the FX space. Deny, deny, deny. Firms like Funded Next will try to fuck you. They tried with me and my friend. I finally got my 15K from them. Who wants to do that shit? Who wants to deal with that shit? Obviously, that's just one person's experience, but you know, they've been around. Horse broke dad, what up? Hey, yeah, I don't blame you. Your trial is going to trade iffy. Speaking of rugging, you're on your 7th payout on the same PA, Faisal. That's fucking awesome, bro. Yeah, Dave, I get it, bro. Yeah. What's the worst that could happen? You lose the money and the time? That could happen with any prop firm. I know it wouldn't happen with Take Profit Trader. I just look, Funded Next has been around, just not in the future space. I just like fucking with prop firms that have been around and have, you know, that are just proven. I have nothing against any new firms. I'm just not fucking with them. I still haven't fucked with Trade Iffy, but that's some personal shit I can't get over. But they've proven, you know, they stood the test of time. They're still around. Great Dane. There's always, dude. Yeah, it's funny. It's funny. I'm gonna take my talents to TPT and trade a fee. You got to wear that nice little plaid button-down shirt though first before you announce it. V33. We'll get the cameras ready. Dr. Phil, what up? Thrive track trading. That's funny. Oh man. And I like Ceres. Like Ceres is cool, and I know Ceres is involved in Thrive. But how do you announce your first payout of the prop in the prop firm's young? You know, the prop firm's brand new, and you announce your first payout to fucking Sage of all people, the fucking jerk off that helped Scott orchestrate the biggest rug pull in prop firm history, and then tries to act like he had nothing to do with it. He was literally brought in to fucking help devise the strategy to retroactively help me figure out how to retroactively change the rules to have the most impact to fuck the most people out of their approved payouts and then deny them retroactively. That's what Sage did. And you give that guy the first fucking payout, announce anybody else. Anybody else. Am I going to trade today, ELQ? I would like to, but I feel like I missed the move. I missed this little move right here. It just kept going up. I guess I could have caught another 20-something points, but Marcin, guess my way in. Not yet. Tickle. When do we get locked out of accounts? What do you mean? Like you can't trade for the rest of the day? What? You know, if the market closes at 1 p.m., I'm thinking Top Step Top Step in my fund, the futures might stop at 12:10. So maybe in the next 35 minutes. Damn, this shit just wants to go all the way back up. The fuck is so annoying? I'm so annoyed that I missed that. I think everything else, like BULENOX and Apex and Take Profit Trader and shit like that, Trade Day. Well, Trade Day goes till 10 minutes before it's officially closed. Coach Calvin, what up? You got that too? I didn't get that. Roa, yeah, you're talking about Thrive? Yeah. I mean, Jesus, man. Jordan, I don't think they are. They would have done it already. They would have announced it yesterday, Jordan, if they were going to do it. Instead, they're telling people that they got to switch to live or that they can't buy any more evals. I mean, talk about spoiling someone's fucking Memorial Day. Yeah, Joom also works with Fast Track. That doesn't necessarily mean that it's definitely guilt by association, but I don't know. I'm not fucking with that prop firm. Let's see if they're around in a year. Let's see if they're still around in a year from now. Maybe then. But if Sage has anything to do with it, I want nothing to do with that fucking prop firm. Like if Sage is an advisor, an employee, a partner, I want nothing to do with that fucking prop firm. I don't care what it's called. What's up, Pips Hunter? Flexter Morgan, yo. Peter Schaap, what's good? V33, yeah, maybe. It seems that way. What up, Andre? Yeah, it seems that way. It's like, man. Sometimes it's like a nightmare just being Andre. So somehow, some way, hey, you think the 618 is going to get honored? You got the up of the VWAP band here. I don't know. Excuse me. Let's fuck around and find out. I don't know if it does. Well, I'm in. If I would have fucking went long down here, I would have had this thing fucking passed already. I need 25 points. I mean, this was how many points? 215. Yeah, yeah, I'm not going to get it. I don't know. I feel like I fucking missed a move. Now we got new hour fuckery. Snoop Dogg. Ash Shay, what up? B-Man. No, some dude named Trader Sage. I don't know who Sage FX are. What up, Ree? Nice job. MCC 1960, what up? Coop Trades. Mr. Beg Beef. Stevie J. Uwe, what up? iTrade. Bobby Lashley, what's good? Yeah, you're gonna have to like reach out to support and they'll give you a credit or something. But Bobby, yeah, I have one too sitting in my account. But I've had a rebuild that came through since then that I got right away. And so did a bunch of other people. Like, other people were able to create accounts, no problem. But someone just said they had the same issue with my funded futures. They have a pending eval since Friday. So I think it's a trade. I think it's a TRADEDAY issue. I think it's like a TRADEDAY API connection issue. New Credit Life, what up? 25s, 50s, and 150s. Those are like the usual ones I go to. Micah, top one became bottom 0 in 7 weeks. It's your fault. You and Cube cleaned them out, bro. 3 paws, what up? No, it's not really my birthday. It's not my birthday. My birthday's in September. What up, Vinny Cuz? JP. Greg, what up? Trade Sage. Yeah, he's such a douchebag. The guy just acted like he had no idea what was going on. You know, if you would just own up to it, you know. Dave Pastor. Savvy, what up? I know. Keegan. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta hit. Oh, so you have, yeah, I gotta hit up support and see. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm fucking around. I shouldn't even be fucking around. At least I'm not fucking with a funded account. The move was the bounce off the VWAP right here. And like I started streaming around like here, and I just didn't want to fucking chase it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We got new hour fuckery. He's full port long. Awesome. Three paws. Oh, yeah, no problem, man. You don't have to thank me, bro. I like interacting with everybody. I like the interaction. AB, can we enter the short now? If you want to. You don't need my permission. I wouldn't. I don't know if that's the way to go. I'm taking a shot, and I have a stop in place, but I don't know. We just kind of just been cranking up. There's no volume. There's not going to be any news. The stock market's closed, so there's nothing like. There's no like Nvidia just got hit. You know, Nvidia is fucking dropping, so the NQ is going to drop. There's none of that shit. You know, so it's fucking sketchy. Wood chips trying to retest the London high. Pips Hunter. I believe you have until you have another hour. But just to be sure, the market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern. So you could go until the very end with them. But if you're not sure, close out your trade within the next 5 minutes just to make sure. And then if you want to get back into it, re-enter. You know what I mean? I'm pretty sure you have until 1 p.m. 1 p.m. today is like 5 p.m. during any other day. Chopsticks, what up? Just ain't right. Mwah. Dr. Phil's trying the opposite strategy. Pips Hunter. Yeah. I just answered your question, I think. You know what I'm saying, bro? I don't know. If you're not sure, close out in the next 5 minutes and then re-enter it. The George Costanza strategy. Am I green today? Not really. I fucking blew. I blew an XFA with that. I could have gotten. I actually had day 3 in the bag. I had day 3 of $200 or more in the bag on a Top Step XFA, and I decided to try to get more, and I fucking blew it. And then I blew some evals, got more, got some halfway up with Top Step. I had a Take Profit Trader, brand new Take Profit Trader funded account. I blew that, but the move, I was right about the move. It just how it happened. Let me go to gold. Let's show you what the fuck happened right here. So I was trading a Take Profit Trader Pro account right here, brand new. I had it up as much as $500, $600, and then what I thought was going to happen was it was going to go up like over here. I wanted it to retest the top orb, which it did do, but not until it dropped a fuck ton here, and then it did it. And then when it did that and I fucking blew the account, I thought about resetting it, paying the fucking $6.49 to reset it and just going long, and that would have fucking paid me, but I didn't do it. And then I blew 3 BULENOX funded accounts, it's brand new. So I didn't have a great day. And it was all fucking around with gold. But I did pass some new ones. I got this one passed. I got this one passed. I think I have a couple. I think I still have a couple that I passed that I didn't need to pass. Oh, gold is dropping. That means fuck me. Whatever. I'll get stopped out. Here, let me move this up a little higher. There's no daily loss limit, so that's cool because it's a starter plus account. What else did I fuck up? Oh, I got a flip day, and I did that successfully. I did do that successfully. I also successfully didn't touch these 2 XFAs. These are the ones that I requested payouts on Friday. I didn't think Top Step was going to deduct the payout today on Memorial Day. So tomorrow, I'll probably be able to trade these again tomorrow. I'm not trying to fucking unpay myself. These are up halfway. These are new combines. Not a great day. Just dumb fuck shit. Like I could have, but that's what happens when you fuck around on days when there's no volume. And then the only other really good thing I did was this right here. This is a funded account that I activated on whatchamacallit, on Friday. Got day one. Friday I did like $1,150 or $1,145 yesterday and for today's session, which also counts as tomorrow's session. So Memorial Day counts as with Apex. Isn't it going to count as Tuesday? So I did $1,216 in that. This is at 2,362. 2,362 through 2 days of trading. Can I take it to a payout? We'll see. But I would like to. And then I had these 4 that I didn't activate yet. I passed these on Friday. Playing Pass the Smash. I passed these on Friday. I didn't activate them yet. And I'm not going to activate them today. Probably not a good idea to activate them today. I'll just wait till tomorrow. Twana, what up? Savvy. Yeah. It'd be cool if they could easily just disable that. Because I like Trade Evade a lot too. I'm okay with Project Desk. Isn't bad. It's just the slippage on it is so bad. Otherwise, it's not. It's actually pretty good. Like it's not. It's nice. But the VWAP doesn't always work. The VWAP never works, actually. Who am I kidding? The VWAP is always in the wrong fucking place. Even though I thought I had the right settings, Coho helped me with the settings and it looked good. But watch, if I go to the VWAP now on gold, that is not the VWAP. Let's see. No, see, the VWAP is here at 392. It's telling me on fucking Project SlipX that the VWAP is at 340. It's not even fucking close. It's fucking annoying. What up, Kenny? Alexander, it's okay. I don't mind it. Yeah, let him. Let him sell my degenerate trading info. I don't give a fuck. Talk about knowing how to lose. What do you mean, B-man? I mean, what exactly are you alluding to, bro? I'm also fucking at 18,500 or 18,600 payouts this month. Is that okay? Is that up to par for you? Is that up to snuff? I don't know what you're getting at, bro. Talking about knowing how to lose. Are you just here to be a trolling fucking jerk off? Just tell me now. I know, Coach Calvin. It's fucking crazy. Horse broke dad. Am I not getting enough payouts for you, B-man? What is it, bro? Tell me. Tell me. I know you're still here. Let's hear it, bro. 5280. Thank you. Thank you, sir. It is a great fucking month. It's my best month by what? 6 grand? I'm 6 grand better than my best month, my previous best month. Someone's always gonna say some shit. Yeah, I blew accounts today. Whoop de fucking do, bro. B-man's never blown an account in his life. Just make some stupid fucking comment and then bounce. Fucking, that's some pussy shit. Oh yeah, KNLV, of course. But I knew we had about 200 people here before that happened. So there's probably like 250 people here. They're also spamming the likes. They're also spamming the like button. B-man's the best fucking trader on all these prop firm streets. What's up, Renee? B-man's probably the fucking loser sending these bots. Zero Day Jason. I'll give B-man a chance to fucking elaborate. I'll give B-man a chance to elaborate. Okay. All right, cool, bro. Just making sure, man. Just making sure. You never, yo, B-man, I don't have any beef with you. I just like to fucking make sure people, I want to know where people's heads are at because it's hard to fucking put shit into the proper context sometimes when you're just reading chat messages. What up, War? Oh, it feels, bro, you don't think it feels like shit when I fucking blow a funded account? It sucks. I hate it. I'm just so used to it by now. It just gets easier, bro. That's just part of the process. Well, I came close to getting stopped out. It's just gonna happen, dude. And I apologize for fucking almost fucking. Actually, I'm not sorry, bro. I'm like I am and I'm not. I just never know. Like I know most of the people in here that hang out and everybody's super chill. Super chill. But if it's someone new, I don't and they say some shit, I don't know. I gotta just make sure. Yeah, he's not giving me crap. I'm like, what up, K Suleiman? Printer Brothers, what up? Like Coach Singh, what's good? I'm being taught a lesson. I'm being taught a lesson by this fucking loser sending bots. Yeah, all right, B man. Yeah, so we're cool. You know what I'm saying? But like, I don't understand why anybody like what it's weird that people do have problems with me. But I can't please everyone. You'll never be able to please everyone in life. Someone will always have a problem with you. So I'm just fucking out here, fucking out in the open, transparent. I don't hide my account numbers. I don't ever claim to be this great trader. And people still fucking have a problem with me. I even if I'm fucking having I'm almost at 20 grand this month. I can still do 20 grand this month. I will have this 25K. I will have this 25K account here. Maybe I could take this to a payout. I'll get it Thursday. So maybe Thursday and Friday, I could get another $1,500 total in payouts. And people will still talk shit about me. So I don't even fucking care. It is what it is. Trader Slava, what up? Jason here. Nice, Michael M. Sahil, what up? Yeah, bro. Oh yeah, you got your 5 days in. You good on consistency and all that shit. This shit. This is like fucking pulling teeth. Watch. Yeah, nothing's happening. I expect it to be some dumb fucking move that like doesn't make any sense. I just hope it's to the downside. Alfred, what up? Yeah, and you know what? It's almost over, bro. Just you know how it is. You know the game. You need one more. You need another $50 day. Yeah. Renee, yeah, thank you. Roy, Borjan, yeah, yeah. Every now and then, I blow them more than every now and then. I would like to. One of the things I would like to get better at, and I'm working on it. I'm getting better every day. Is holding on to funded accounts for a second payout, and dare I say, a third payout. Lee, what up? Yeah, the guy's got his fucking Jergens. He doesn't leave his computer. Guy rolled out of bed and was like, "Is 0Day Jay streaming?" I know, you know, it's my biggest fan. My biggest fan. Marcin. Yeah, Alfred, I mean, up until this month, bro, you just got paid though. I mean, yeah, you just got paid by trade day. But up until this month, you know, if you're struggling this month, I mean, you've been fucking cleaning house. You went on like a 4-month fucking tear or a 5-month tear, maybe even more, like a 6-month tear. Memorial Day, Ray Jason. 0Day Jason, I fucking hate you. Granny, I just pooped my pants. It's crazy. May's my best. This is the best month I've ever had. My biggest skin suit, Kenny. Yeah. Granny, I just shit myself. At least YouTube is keeping track of the proper amount of views. Yeah, that's Alfred. That's fucking amazing, bro. Granny. That's all right, Jordan. You know, I mean, you've got 6 payouts in 3 months. You could just do it again. Maybe you'll get 6 payouts in June. That's how this shit works. You just got to know that, you know, if you did it once, you could do it again. And just try to recognize when you're fucking losing control. Something I'm still working on. Or just like yesterday, I was a greedy fuck. Let me show you this account. Watch. This is my XFA. I had 2 days in. I was at like $600, and then where is it? This was the first trade of the day right here. I can zoom in on this fucking thing. This was my first trade. There's my $200 day. And I thought it was going to keep going, and I was annoyed because I was actually up like 500 or 600, and it came back down exactly to my trailing stop. All I had to do was stop. So it's a psychological thing a lot of times too with us. But I wanted to have a big monster day. But there it is. There it is right there. I didn't stop. And then I fucking proceeded to wreck the fucking account. So, you know, if we could eliminate dumb fuck shit like that, a lot of us would deal with the same shit. We'd be fine. But I was being a greedy prick. What up, Mank? Yeah, a lot of people did. Yeah, Tony Gold, for real. Like, it could be. It could be life changing. You just gotta, you know, you fucking piece of shit. I guess I'm gonna get stopped out. You fuck. This is the type of do shit, dumb fuck move I was hoping would happen to the downside. Watch this. It's probably gonna go down now, or is it gonna keep going up? Fuck me. Whatever. It's just an eval. I don't want to blow it though. This thing was halfway up. Fucking piece of shit. This is why I'm not trading any more funded accounts today. I came back to break even. It came back to break even, and then it popped. Yeah, it's just not happening. I'm not seeing this shit. I wasn't seeing it yesterday all that well. Of course that would happen. Like I was like literally at break even, and then it fucking pops. But whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out again. Fucking whore. Piece of shit. Yeah. Oh, look, I got top ticked. Look, I got fucking top ticked. Now it's gonna drop. Fucking cocksucker, man. Now it's gonna dump. I'm going long. Whatever. I just got fucking top ticked. Is it gonna dump now? Yeah, Lee, we all suffer from it. .007, what up? I didn't get that no more evals email. Now look, now it wants to drop. I'm so stupid. The smart thing to do was just not fuck with this fucking price action at all. I'm surprised I could even still trade. I guess it doesn't matter. It should have fucking ended well, if it was a regular day, it would have ended at 3 minutes ago. Trump to speak at Arlington National Cemetery soon? You think that's going to move the market? Is it the market that desperate for some fucking something? I should have just wasted another fucking BULENOX account on this shit instead of this fucking My Funded Futures one. But whatever, we'll see. We'll see. I don't have a lot of drawdown left, that's for sure. I just know it's going to fucking drop just enough to blow me out. Because I got top ticked. I don't know, whatever. I don't even fucking care. Maximus, yeah, I don't think so. Oh, okay, Alfred. So they go right to the end. That's good to know. Yeah, KNLV, bro. It's like I still fall for the same dumb shit. You know, I'm not perfect, but that's why I didn't want to fucking trade any funded accounts. The move was playing the bounce off the VWAP. That was the fucking move. Not this fucking bullshit here, which is what I'm fucking wasting my time doing. But whatever. I'm in the trade, so we'll see what happens. Maybe we pump into close. Nice job. Nice job, Michael. Michael, today was tough. Yeah, it's too unpredictable because there's no fucking volume. There's no nothing. There's nothing going on. Mike Gut, 3 for 3, playing half a smash. Yeah, I had one that was halfway up from Friday too, bro. Same fucking thing. All right, be good, Mr. Beg Beef. Hell yeah, Ree. Hell yeah. Love to see it, bro. I can't wait to get back into daily payout land with them. I did 5 days in a row. I did 5 days in a row with the last one I had, not the one I just got last night, but the other one I had. Maximus, save it till 3 p.m. Nah, we'll see what happens. Trading halts at 12:50. Okay. AJ, thanks. All right, guys. So they heard if anybody's trading my fund the futures, you have until 12:50 Eastern. So another 35 minutes, basically. Look, it's dropping. I fucking knew it. What did I tell you guys? It's gonna drop because I'm in fucking long. So stupid. I got top ticked. I got in. I'd be green in that the last short. When I went back in short, I would be green right now because I got in at 79. Funny. I'm such a dumb fuck. I hate. You know, it's fucking fucked up. Like I'm having my best month ever, 18,500 or 18,600. I don't know the exact number. And I still fucking hate myself. That's what trading does to you. Martin AP, what up? No, I didn't get it. I didn't get it yet. Todd L. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I passed. I got one I got one right here. I got this 25K that's passed. I just have to get my flip days in. Um, I need two more. This is day 3. So I need 2 more days. So on Thursday, I'll have this shit. And then we'll see if we could get the job done. Yep. I know horse broke dad, man. I just, it's just so just some I still do this. I still do a lot of dumb shit. It's just a perfect example is right now. My bias was to the short side. I get fucking stopped out here. I go back in short. I get stopped out again, and then now it's fucking that short that last short I was in was I'd be green right now on the trade 79.50. Well, I would have been green by 2 points. So now I got to fucking. I'm probably gonna blow this. I don't even fucking care. I just don't want to get out because then it's like as soon as I get out, it's gonna fucking pump. It's like I torture myself on a day with no fucking. It's just fucking annoying. There's just no volume. Why am I even fucking with this shit? Those mind games don't work if my brain is turned off. Yeah, good point. You got a point about that. Can you take profit trade if you're from the UK? I think so. I'm trying to find. Does anybody know? I think you can. Yeah, UK I wouldn't be worried about. I wouldn't be too concerned with the UK. If you were in like some, you know, fringe country, maybe. Permitted products. Yeah, this is fucking stupid. What am I doing? It's gonna fucking dump. I know it. It's gonna come. Watch it dump lower than where I got in here. Oh, right off the 786. Look at that. The 786. Not the 618. The 786 one. This one. Right off of it. Look at that. It's fucking dumping. That last short that when I re-entered the short, I got in at 79.50. That's 5 points right there. Awesome job. This is gonna fucking dump. And then the original short, I got in at 69.50. We coming down to 69.50 too? So fucking stupid. Gold is go David Pescott, bro. I'm glad you feel that way, and you feel that way about gold. It is not. There's nothing fucking smooth about gold. Gold is worse than fucking the NQ when there's volume. Gold don't give a fuck what you think is going to happen. At least from my experience, not my experience trading gold. Total waste of time, Jim Blob. Gold, I don't think gold, I don't know. I'm glad you feel that way and you see it that great. I get fucked with gold. I trade gold a lot. Like, gold is so smooth that last night, I got what I wanted, but not until it dropped 150 to 200 ticks, and then it fucking hit it. Yeah, I like it too, bro. I like it too. Believe me, I've gotten payouts. I'm pretty sure every fucking trade I took in these two XFAs that I got to a payout were trading gold. Did it? Let's see. All right, $195 of the $1,500 in profit, the $1,450 in profit was trading the NQ. Everything else was gold. So and a lot of the payouts I got on Take Profit Trader were from trading gold. Look at this. Let's see. Whoops. I like gold, but I got wrecked by gold yesterday. That's for sure. Trade printers. What's the symbol, bro? Pawn. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is good in the UK. By the way, if you want to grab a Take Profit Trader account, you could get 30% off, and the activation fee is waived. That promotion is still good. 30% off, no activation fee, using the best code ZERODAYJAY. There's my link. BULENOX is 91% off. Option 1, 50Ks or bigger. Just get the option one. Just get the 50K. But they're 91% off until the end of the day on the 30th, which is Friday. Trade days 40% off. What up, Pine Tree? It's coming all the way to my fucking original entry. Amazing. See? This is where I torture myself. So I re-entered at 79, and look how far down it came down, 72. I got stopped out. So fucking stupid. Almost at my original entry. Look, my original entry was 69.50. It came all the way back. And I'm fucking in this fucking long. Stupid fuck. I hope I blow this account. I don't even want it anymore. Blow the account. Go ahead. See ya. Look at that. Watch this shit fucking dump. Fucking stupid. I'm so fucking stupid. I'm so glad it's just an eval. Anyway, 40% off trade day using the best code ZERODAYJAY. Apex is just 80% off. I mean, 50% off. Not even worth putting a fucking link in there. My Fund the Futures is 50% off for new users. It came all the way back to my fucking entry. Maybe that's just the, that's, I mean, that is a, if I look, so fucking stupid. Look at that. Right off the 786. This shit's going to dump. But I'm not changing fate. I'm not changing course now. Because I know if I get in short here, it's going to pop. And then I'm going to lose all my drawdown. I'd rather lose all my drawdown with it just continuing to go short. That's what I get for not fucking going against what I thought was going to happen. I was just wrong in terms of the timing. Literally came down to my fucking entry. My entry was at 69.50. It came down to 70. The first trade. What's funny is I could have just went long. If I would have just went long here, I would have passed this account. What up, AS? Oh, thank you, David. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. It's the best code. Yeah, I heard Wise is really fast. Top Step has Wise also. Someone's asking for the Discord link. Will there be a London stream or whip stream today, Coach Singh? Maybe. No more whip streams. No more whip streams. My son's done. My son has officially retired playing soccer, at least for now. Yeah, it looks like we're dealing with some algos. I don't know. I don't know, Allah. I don't know if there's going to be some crazy algo candle. All I know is I'm getting fucking played by the market. Again. Good thing I didn't fuck with a funded account. Yeah, I'll miss the whip streams too. Those were fun. Yelling in my car. Orjan, I have no code for Top Step. I'm not even an affiliate of Top Steps. They don't want affiliates. They got rid of affiliates. Oh, it's crazy, bro. It's the best fucking code. So you guys are looking to get into the somebody's asking about the Discord where the best community on these prop firm streets hangs out. The best fucking community, hands down. Yo, I don't think I'm ever going to get a code from them. Coach HID knows. There it is. There's the Discord. The best community on these prop firm streets. Not even close. That's right, Allah. That's right. Fuck yeah. Tell them. Tell them. Amazing. Amazing. So amazing. So that fucking short I got in that I got fucking stopped out at, Well, I got in at 79.50. If I would have just held that short, I would be back basically at break even right now overall because I lost what? Like 700 something dollars, and then I got 9 points. I'd be like down only something bucks. Fucking stupid. Fucking stupid. Whatever. Let this fucking account. Let it. What's another blown account? At least I'm not. Like I said, I'm not trading my funded accounts anymore. Shit like this is gonna happen. You're gonna fuck up. You're gonna completely fucking hate yourself, like I do right now, because I was right. Here we are. I love being right, and I still find a way to fuck it up. That's something I'm working to eliminate completely from my life. But I don't know if that's going to happen with trading. It's almost impossible to eliminate that. This is basically the only really good thing I did. I got this funded account, this PA, up another $1,200. There it is. Look, it went down low. I would be green. Look at that. I'd be green, like in the original trade. So fucking annoying. So fucking annoyed. I got in the original trade at 69.50. Watch this shit fucking dump. Or it's going to bounce here. But it rejected off the 786. I should know better. And then I fucking go against it. So look, 68, 11 points. I would have gotten it all back. I would have been at break even there. So fucking stupid. Whatever. I paid I wonder what my fucking they did some random fucking flash sale like on their Reddit for 40% off the starter plus account. So I got it for $76. So hopefully my rebill, let's see if the rebill is going to come through for the same price. I don't know. I think it will. Yeah, $76. I'll keep that at $76. Amazing. Well, got played again by the market. Totally fucking played again. David, thanks, bro. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, Coach HID. Well, it doesn't matter now. The account's blown. So, Zach T, what up? Does BULENOX have no minimum trading days? You could pass a BULENOX eval on day one. Option one. You could pass in one, you could play pass or smash. I'm so fucking annoyed. But I'm just like, it's fucking, I literally said it. Watch. What did I say like 20 minutes ago? Watch. It's going to fucking drop now because I went in long like a dumb fuck. And it did. That's what I get. I should have just stuck to my fucking original fucking idea. I re-entered short here and it fucking went down fucking what? 10, 11 points? I got stopped out. I'm so fucking stupid. I hate myself. What up, GMAT? 10 days unfunded. Yep. Oh, look, we have 224 people on here. Thanks, guys. Thanks to everyone. TJP. Yeah, it's so fucking annoying. It's so fucking annoying. It's not. It's my fault. Obviously, I'm a fucking idiot. I was. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Count's blown. That's all that matters. Let's fuck around with some BULENOX accounts. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Motion Capital, what up? No, I don't think so, man. 1500s, that's up there. I mean, what's your like you better that's a what's for a 150K, right? So, you know, you got to make 6 grand. You got to make more than that. You got to make 6500 to get that initial investment back on that account. To get that 1500 back, you got to get that account up to at least 6500 in profit. Oh, now gold wants to go back up. Yeah, see, it's just like I said, I'm only fucking with evals because why is gold going up if the NQ is going up? Oh, look, I got bottom ticked. Look how fucking convenient. I literally got fucking bottom ticked. God, I fucking hate today. What a fucking shocker. So I get top ticked, bottom ticked, don't matter. Bottom ticked. Let's see if this comes back to my original entry, which was at 68.50. Probably. I literally got fucking bottom ticked. I'm pretty sure that's what I said was going to happen. I said, watch it come down, take me out, just come down just enough to fucking take out all my drawdown, and then it's going to bounce and pop. I fucking know what's going to happen before it happens. I fucking said that. I guess gold wants to go up. Whatever. This is it. I'm done after this. Yeah, it's just, I mean, this money, you can make money scalping in this fucking environment, but I mean, look, if I went full port long, I'd be up $970, but I went the wrong way. You know? And then here, this is almost back to my fucking entry. 82. 82 was the entry. Sorry. 82. Watch it go back to 82. 20 minutes, Timothy Chapo. Yeah, Tilly the Don. The open was great. Everything since then fucking sucked. PK, what up? Of course it's going to go back up now. I'm over it. I'm over today. I mean, I passed this one. This is the one that I was trading silver on Friday, and I just left. I forgot the trade was even open, and I ended up with like $1,200 in profit on that. And then I got it up a little bit more. Well, I got the rest of it. So that one's done. This one's done. This one I'm trading. No, I'm not trading that one now. Which one am I trading? I'm trading this one now. Not that I give a fuck. And then let me log into my BULENOX account. I think I have 1 or 2 waiting in the wings anyway, so it doesn't matter. I have 2 pending, which is what, 528 and 529? What were they though? Oh, no, yeah, I got 2 pending and I passed 2. So it doesn't even matter what happens with this shit. Other than it's going to cost me another $16 when I let it rebuild, because I'm never going to cancel these. I'm never canceling these 50Ks until I run out of them. A 91. These are all 91% off that I got them for it. at some point. Damn, what a fucking pop. What a fucking pop. All of a sudden, gold wants to fucking move. But yeah, I'm never canceling any of these 91% off subscriptions until they all get passed, because 91% off is fucking beautiful. Crazy how gold just fucking popped like that. But also not fucking shocked. What's the NQ doing? Nothing. So I have 2 pending, and then I have 2 passed. 2 pending, and then 2 passed, so whatever. David, so you faded me, bro. That's fucked up, man. I thought we were friends. Just kidding, bro. I know. You just saw it better than me. But yeah, I mean, it looked like it wanted to keep dropping. And I was already annoyed about the My Fund the Futures account. But like I said, this account cost me $15.75. So it's okay. I'll survive. That shit just keeps going. Man, if I would have went in long, if I would have went fucking long, if I would have went long, I would have passed this fucking thing. Damn, bro. So fucking bad today. I'm just not that good. I can't wait for this shit to be over. Cab 3, what up? Or is it Cave Trader? Rick. Coach Canute, what up? Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought it was Cave. Exactly, KNLV. Micah trades. Facts, bro. If I would have went long, it would have fucking dumped. It would have dumped on me. Did I get top ticked? Let's see. 438. I literally got fucking top ticked. I got bottom ticked on this fucking account on the NQ. And I got top ticked on fucking gold. Wow. Fuck this shit, bro. Crazy. Twanon, I think I said what I didn't say what's up to you before. I did, bro. My bad. I thought I said hi to you before. I saw you. Hi. Sorry, I was in the middle of fucking blowing some more accounts. I lived up to the fucking title. Maybe I shouldn't have put that as a title. Did enough damage, let's do more. So what did I do? I blew up my Fund the Futures account that was halfway up. And I blew another BULENOX eval. Awesome. Awesome. John Henry, fucked up, right? Look at that. What was my entry here? 403. Watch it come all the way fucking down. For real, I'm fucking. Oh, I got Take Profit Trader evals. I got this one. I had a pro account that I blew. I have one that's pending. I got a fucking. I don't know. I might get another 25K. I don't know. I don't know. The market is closed. Does that mean I can't trade on BULENOX anymore? I heard that on this one, I think. Or was that on Top Step? GC moved to closed status. Top Step just did that. The bull shark. Yeah, for real. Let's put everything into proper perspective. Sly Fox. No. Oh, Alfred, you got closed on? That's fucked up. Juan Pablo, what up? Dude, if there was going to be a discount on Memorial Day, they would have already done it, right? They probably would have announced it yesterday because then they would get all that money for all the degenerates like us trading on fucking Memorial Day. Sly Fox, Cube made it. Cube in the Discord made the picture of me. He wanted to make me look like Dylan Brooks. And then and then and then and then Newts made the fucking thumbnail, turned it into a thumbnail. So I use it a lot because it's fucking funny. But yeah, Bull Shark, man, absolute facts. It definitely beats getting shot on a fucking battlefield fighting a fucking rich man's battle. NQ just popped. Oh my God, are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? What did I say? I said I'm going to get fucking bottom ticked probably, and look what it did. I was in at 82. Look, I got bottom ticked. I literally said when I got into this long here, watch it come down just enough to blow my account and then fucking bounce and run and pop. That's exactly what fucking happened. God fucking damn. Bottom ticked, top ticked. Fucking crazy. Well, I mean, if I don't get another payout for the rest of the month, it's like it's 18,500 or 18,600. I don't know the exact number. Let me see if I can do the math. Let me go to fucking Twitter. So I got 10,000 from Apex plus 710, 725, 710, 725. Those are the last. I got 1,960. Well, I'll just do it this way. This is going to take a little while, but fuck it. 730. I got 1,964 from that last Take Profit Trader account. I just don't want to do the math wrong. Third day in a row. 1129 plus 1,200 because I got those two payouts from fucking My Funded Futures. Oh, if you follow me on Twitter, I'll follow you back, by the way. ZERODAYJay. There's the first one of that batch, that account. All right, let's see. There we go. And then there's another couple of Take Profit Trader payouts. I just got to find them. Just got to find them. 480. 480 times 0.8. 384. I feel like there's one more. Was that it? feel like I'm missing one. Oh, there it is. 720. 576. 18,719. So if I don't get a single fucking payout, if like the only shot I have at getting a payout before the end of the month, with fucking hair in my mouth. The only shot I have at getting a payout before the end of the month is right here on this 25K, because I have like Apex Eve, I have my XFAs. I did have like this one. That's why I'm annoyed about this one, because this one would have been day 3. Tomorrow would have been day 4. And then Wednesday would have been day 5 if I could get the job done. And then this one I'm annoyed about because forget about what just happened, because this is just fucking stupid. And this is typical. This would fucking happen to me. But this one, I actually had this. I could have traded this one on Thursday. I forgot to trade it Thursday. And then I traded it Friday, got it halfway up. But if I would have traded it Thursday, got it halfway, and then got it passed on Friday, I would be able to go for another payout with this one Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week. So the only shot I have at getting another payout this month and potentially hitting 20K is this account right here. I'll be able to trade it on Thursday and Friday. This will be a funded account on Thursday. No, I got everything with Apex. The only issue was that one payout that was taking forever to get approved. Also, like the payout got lost in the shuffle, but I reached out to support and they took care of it. They did the right thing. Where is that shit? Right here. I got approved on all of them. But this one was lagging behind. It was like a verification issue with my account or some shit. Oh, look at gold. I literally got fucking top ticked. It came down to not quite where my fucking original entry was, but like, it's just so stupid. It's what I get. Case Soliman. I think they do, bro. I think they do. Can Media, what up? The market's closed. Yeah, in like 7 minutes. I wouldn't trade anything. I don't know. Unless you feel like fucking playing FAFO. Like unless you like the FAFO, but you can't trade with My Funded Futures anymore, I don't think. You can't trade with My Funded Futures is done, Top Step is done. The market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern. GMAT. Well, yeah, if I were to keep that up for the next 12 months, yeah. For the year, I did 62.42 last month. I did 9.081 or something like that in March. February was the fucked up. February was fucked. I did only $1,850 in February, and I did 11,900. So I'm at 47,792 for the year. Obviously, that's not profit, but in payouts. It's pretty good. One of my goals was to do 6 figures in payouts for the year, and I'm on pace to do that at least. If I divide 47,792 divided by 5, 95.58 times 12. I mean, I would do over 100,000. But after having a month like this, if I could just sustain 5-figure months, just ain't right. Peace. Mwah. It reopens at 6. Yeah. Manuel, yeah, bro. Or is it Manuel? I always fucking say your name wrong. My bad, bro. Any payouts in Apex since then? No. I could have gotten multiple payouts. I fucked myself out of another $8,000 in payouts with Apex. I had accounts right there. And I'm a dumb fuck. I actually did dumb, greedy fuck shit. That's why it didn't work out. That's why I fucked myself. cost myself another $8,000. I'd be telling you guys I'm at, I'd be telling you guys I'm at 26,000 for the month. So once I clean, like I'm just cleaning all that shit up. It is what it is. Yeah, yo, Jim Bob. Yup, they did. It's not a bad month. It just could have been fucking better. You know what I mean? Johnny, what up? I don't. I didn't. What's your Twitter? What's your Twitter, bro? Is it the same? I'd have to. I'd have to. I don't even know. I'd have to find you. Hell yeah, Orjan. Good shit. Yo, how the fuck am I supposed to know that that was you, bro? Oh, there you are. I got you, bro. I got you. Yeah, savvy, bro. Yeah. Don't worry. All of that stuff is you're paying your tuition for your education. At some point, it's gonna flip. I got you, Johnny. I got Manuel too. So fucking annoyed. I'm so fucking annoyed about this. I literally got bottom ticked. What a shitty day. Oh man. All right, guys. I'm gonna fucking bounce. My son's gonna get off of work soon, and I gotta fucking go with him to the storage facility and move some shit around. Fucking storage unit hopping over here. Well, I'm so fucking annoyed about this. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out. Enjoy the rest of your Memorial Day if you're celebrating it. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow for sure, and at some point when the market reopens, maybe during Asia, maybe during the overnight during London. I don't know, but I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out. Subscribe to the channel, all that good shit. Enjoy the rest of your day.